Welcome to the Gambia, Africa's smallest mainland country, but don't let its size fool you. Packed along the winding Gambia River, this tiny nation offers vibrant culture, incredible wildlife, golden beaches, and warm-hearted locals who call it the smiling coast of Africa. Whether you're chasing the call of exotic birds, exploring ancient trading posts, or relaxing on sun-drenched shores, the Gambia delivers an unforgettable experience. Let's count down the top 10 places that make this little country a giant on adventure. Number 10. Albert Market, Banjul. We begin our journey in the capital city with Albert Market, a chaotic, colorful, and utterly captivating experience. Located right in the heart of Banjul, this market has been the city's beating heart for over a century. Named after Prince Albert during colonial times, it has evolved into a sprawling labyrinth of stalls selling everything from fresh produce and textiles to hand-woven baskets and traditional herbal remedies. Walking through Albert Market is a sensory overload. The air is rich with the scent of spices, ginger, chili, and dried fish, while merchants call out in a mix of Wolof, Mandinka, and English, beckoning you to take a closer look. It's not just a place to buy souvenirs, it's where culture lives and breathes. For a true local experience, try your hand at bargaining, or stop to taste damoda, a rich peanut stew served over rice. Albert Market isn't polished, it's raw, real, and full of life, offering an authentic snapshot of urban Gambian spirit. Number 9. Wassu Stone Circles. Next up is one of the Gambia's most mysterious and ancient wonders, the Wassu Stone Circles. Located in the Central River region, these megalithic stone structures are often referred to as Africa's Stonehenge, dating back over 1,200 years. Each circle is made of perfectly placed laterite stones, some standing over 2 meters high. Archaeologists believe they were used as burial sites for kings or tribal chiefs, but the full story remains cloaked in mystery. When you walk among them, there's a haunting silence, as if the stones are whispering secrets from centuries past. The UNESCO-listed site also has a small museum that dives into the history of the stones, the people who built them, and the spiritual practices tied to the land. It's a powerful place that links modern Gambia to its ancient, enigmatic roots. Number 8. Kunta Kinteh Island, formerly James Island. Floating in the Gambia River, Kunta Kinteh Island is a poignant symbol of history, resistance, and remembrance. Once a slave fort under British control, it was a central point in the transatlantic slave trade, where thousands of Africans were held before being shipped across the ocean. The island was renamed in honor of Kunta Kinteh, the real-life ancestor of author Alex Haley, whose story was told in the book and TV series Roots. Walking through the crumbling ruins, fort walls, cannon posts, and prison cells, you can feel the weight of history pressing down. There's also a museum on the mainland at El Breda that further explores the horrors and legacy of slavery in the region. Visiting this island is more than a tour. It's a powerful moment of reflection, connection, and tribute to the resilience of the human spirit. Number 7. River Gambia National Park, Baboon Island. Deep in the central part of the country lies one of the Gambia's most fascinating wildlife sanctuaries, River Gambia National Park, also known as Baboon Island. This cluster of 5 small islands in the Gambia River is a chimpanzee rehabilitation center, offering rescued primates a second chance at life in the wild. While visitors can't walk on the islands, boat safaris bring you close enough to spot chimps lounging in trees, grooming each other, or calling out across the forest. But they're not alone. Crocodiles glide through the water, hippos bob up from the depths, and hundreds of bird species soar overhead. The park is run by the Chimpanzee Rehabilitation Project, a long-running effort to protect endangered species and educate visitors. It's a remote, peaceful haven where wildlife thrives and humans become silent observers of nature's harmony. Number 6. Makasutu Cultural Forest. If you're craving a deeper spiritual connection with nature, head to the Makasutu Cultural Forest, a hidden eco-paradise just outside of Brikama. This privately protected reserve is a mystical blend of dense forest, tidal mangroves, palm groves, and savanna. Guided nature walks take you through trails where monkeys swing overhead, bush pigs rustle in the underbrush, and giant monitor lizards sunbathe along the riverbank. But Makasutu is more than a nature reserve. It's a place of storytelling, music, and cultural preservation. Visitors are invited to meet local artisans, watch traditional drumming performances, and even consult with forest-based spiritual healers. As the sun sets, the golden light filters through the trees like something out of a dream. It's a sacred sanctuary where the spirit of the Gambia reveals itself in quiet whispers and rustling leaves. Number 5. Abuko Nature Reserve. One of the oldest protected areas in the Gambia, Abuko Nature Reserve is a wildlife oasis just 25 minutes from Banjul. Despite its small size, this park is bursting with biodiversity, home to monkeys, crocodiles, antelope, civets, and over 270 species of birds. It's an easy walk through shaded trails, wooden bridges over creeks, and viewing platforms where you can watch red colobus monkeys leaping between branches, or spot green vervets playing in the undergrowth. There's also a small animal orphanage and education center working to protect endangered species. Abuko is a favorite for school trips, photographers, and nature lovers alike. It's peaceful, educational, and a perfect intro to West African ecosystems, especially for first-time visitors. Number 4. Tanji Fishing Village and Bird Reserve. Tanji is a village that pulses with life, color, and rhythm. During the day, the beach becomes a theater of activity as dozens of painted pirogues return from sea. Fishermen haul in their catch, and smoke from fish drying ovens fills the air. It's chaotic, beautiful, and utterly photogenic. Locals shout, barter, and laugh in the salty sea breeze, while massive flocks of gulls and pelicans swoop overhead, hoping for scraps. This is the heartbeat of Gambian fishing culture, and visitors are welcome to watch or even help with the day's haul. Just inland is the Tanji Bird Reserve, a peaceful escape filled with wetlands, forests, and lagoons. It's a prime birding location where you might spot hornbills, kingfishers, and even flamingos. The contrast between the bustling beach and the serene reserve shows two powerful sides of Tanji, one roaring with life, the other humming with stillness. Number 3. Bijilo Forest Park, Monkey Park. Right next to the coastal resort area of Kololi, Bijilo Forest Park, also called Monkey Park, is a green sanctuary where nature and tourism blend perfectly. The reserve is home to several monkey species, including the ever-curious paters and green vervets, who are quite used to human visitors. Walking through the park's shaded trails, you'll also encounter monitor lizards, colorful birds, and butterflies flitting through the underbrush. The sounds of the nearby ocean mix with the calls of birds and primates, creating a tranquil but immersive experience. Just be careful, those monkeys are clever. Keep your snacks hidden, or they might just invite themselves to lunch. Bijilo is an easy, fun, and educational stop for families, or anyone wanting a gentle dive into Gambia's natural wonders. Number 2. Sanyang Beach, Paradise Beach. Imagine an endless stretch of powdery white sand, the ocean rolling in gently under a fiery orange sunset, and not a high-rise hotel in sight. That's Sanyang Beach, also known as Paradise Beach, one of the most beautiful and peaceful spots along the Gambia's coast. Here, life slows down. Local drummers and dancers sometimes gather to perform, Beach bars serve cold drinks and grilled fish, and hammocks sway between palm trees. You can ride horses along the shore, join a beach volleyball game, or just listen to the waves crash in perfect rhythm. Nearby, you'll find a lively fishing village and small craft markets offering handmade souvenirs. Whether you stay for an afternoon or several days, Sanyang has a magnetic calm that makes it feel like time itself takes a break here. It's paradise without the price tag. Number 1. The Gambia River Cruise. And at number 1, we journey along the lifeline of the country itself, the mighty Gambia River. Flowing from Senegal through the heart of the country and into the Atlantic Ocean, this river defines life in the Gambia, both culturally and ecologically. A cruise on the Gambia River is unlike anything else. Whether it's a simple pirogue ride or a multi-day excursion aboard a riverboat, you'll pass through stunning landscapes, lush mangroves, floating islands, and riverside villages where children wave as you pass. You'll spot hippos, crocodiles, kingfishers, and maybe even a pod of dolphins if you're lucky. The river is where ancient trade routes once flowed, where empires rose and fell, and where daily life still unfolds in timeless rhythm. It's the best way to see the Gambia in full color, its people, its wildlife, its pulse. If there's only one thing you do in the Gambia, make sure it's a journey on its sacred, life-giving river. The Gambia may be small, but its beauty, history, and spirit are larger than life. From stone circles to surf-kissed beaches, bustling markets to bird-filled forests, this is a country that surprises, soothes, and inspires at every turn. So pack your curiosity and come experience Africa's smiling coast. The Gambia is waiting.